I can't stop myself from giggling. I can't stop myself from giggling. Mwen pa kapab suspend ri. Mwen pa kapab suspend ri. Suit yourself. Suit yourself. Fais le jan vle. Fais le jan vle. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. Bien dormi. Bien dormi. So to speak. So to speak. En quelque sorte. En quelque sorte. Watch your back. Watch your back. Surveille derrière. Surveille derrière. All in good time. All in good time. Tout bagay gen lè yo. Tout bagay gen lè yo. You can rely on me. You can rely on me. Ou ka konte sou mwen. Ou ka konte sou mwen. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Pa inquiété ou. Pa inquiété ou. Don't oversleep. Don't oversleep. Pa kite dormi trompi ou. Pa kite dormi trompi ou. Close legs don't get fed. Close legs don't get fed. Chita pa bay. Chita pa bay. Simmer down. Simmer down. Calme ou. Calme ou. I'm fed as a fiddle. I'm fed as a fiddle. Mwen en bonne santé. Mwen en bonne santé. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Pa ran ingratitude ak moun ka pede ou. Pa ran ingratitude ak moun ka pede ou. I'm in the loop of everything. I am in the loop of everything. Mwen au courant de tout bagay. Mwen au courant de tout bagay. Don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up. Pa kritike tèt ou. Pa kritike tèt ou. It's a plain to see. It's a plain to see. C'est normal. C'est évident. C'est normal. C'est évident. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. Pa akize. Pa akize. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Ça c'est yon bagay facile. Ça c'est yon bagay facile. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Mwen panike. Mwen panike. Stay out of it. Stay out of it. Pa entre nan bagay sa. Pa entre nan bagay sa. Dog eat dog. Dog eat dog. Chien mange chien. Chien mange chien. Over my dead body. Over my dead body. C'est sous kadav mwen pou pase. C'est sous kadav mwen Pour passer. A little bird told me. A little bird told me. Moi j'y connais. Moi j'y connais. Feel under the weather. Feel under the weather. Malade. Malade. I noticed that. I noticed that. Moi remarqué ça. Moi remarqué ça. Les amis, ou même qui remet travail qu'une affaire, t'en prie, abonnez, partagez, commentez et pas oublier quitter un like. C'est l'unique façon qu'on est capable de supporter nous. Donc, si ça intéresse vous pouvez toujours contacter nous dans le numéro WhatsApp qui est en bas de l'écran. Merci, à la prochaine.